guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a nice glamorous look. It's going to be different, but before I do that, I am going to get into this hair. So you guys are probably wondering how or why haven't I started my butterfly locks yet. Well, I haven't got the hair yet, so that's why. And I don't know, I just been lazy, as you could say, in trying to get the hair, but I'll definitely be getting the hair. One sec. Sorry guys, somebody was calling me, but like I was saying, I'll be getting the hair at least, I keep telling you guys like a certain day and then I never do it, so I'm for sure gonna get the hair tomorrow. But as of right now, we're just gonna get into just a normal ponytail. As you can see, or as you guys saw in the last video, that my hair was straight, and I straightened my hair and it's still straight. I'm gonna give it like one more or two more styles before I wash my hair and, you know, go back into protective style mode. But as of right now, I'm gonna see what I could do with this straight hair. You guys probably saw this. You guys saw, oh my gosh, you guys saw in one of my last videos that I used this hair piece for a ponytail, and I'm gonna be using it again for the second time, just with my hair straight. And I also straightened this. It's not really a good of a job, but yeah, so let's just see what I come up with and how it looks, and I'll get back to you guys. I did my ponytail like up here, right? And you know, don't get me wrong, it's cute, but that's not the look I was going for, so I had to redo it. And I put my ponytail in the middle of my head, and this is the look I'm actually going for. God dang it, I can't freaking turn this down. And then I decided to do my eyebrows off camera just because you guys already know the process. You know, in some videos I'm gonna do my eyebrows just so you guys can see the full thing, but in videos like this I'm gonna just, you know, get my eyebrows over with off camera. Oh my god, I really like my ponytail, you guys. I just keep on looking at it. But yeah, let's get into this.